Okay, good evening. How are you guys doing? Can everyone hear me? Please say hi if you can.
Yes.
Yon, sino yon?
Hi. There po.
Hey, hello. Good to hear from you again.
Hello
Welcome
po.
from Naga. So,
Ah,
okay. So we'll get started and we'll take maybe around an hour for this. And this is a very exciting discussion as this can really allow you to grow your business phenomenally. I will not show any more videos because all the videos are online. You can research it. But let's talk about the right mindset as we build this business or this product called HLockMe. Uh, so can everyone see my slides? Please send a message to our chat page if you can see my slides. Okay, so our topic is how do you now leverage on the HLock Me launch this December as executives to build long-term passive income. So when we launch a new product, it's good to earn short-term active income. But if you know what you're doing, it is much better to leverage on this launch to build long-term passive income. So right now, what may narinig akong music. Okay. So what is the market? And before we go ahead, let us discuss the market potential. So we know this already. The anti-aging industry is growing, and the aging population wants to avoid the early signs of aging. So we have a global market for anti-aging products, and it is set to reach $346 billion by 2018. That's 2 years from now. $346 billion is the global market. And this is important because we have access to the global market, especially the top countries. And at 346 billion, currently, New Skin is at around almost 3 billion, which is just what 1% of that entire market. So imagine if we can just quickly hit 5% from 3 billion to 15 billion, then we would have created multiple $1 million circle members amongst us. Okay? So, skincare is a rapidly growing category. So, together with anti-aging, lumalaki rin ang skincare. And it is set to reach 405 billion by 2017 and growing by $55 billion by in 5 years. And ang nakita rin natin, more and more people are interested in high-tech beauty gadgets. And hindi lang beauty gadgets, pati yung high-tech camera gadgets, high-tech na cellphone. So, when you talk about the device, it sets you apart and makes your discussion more interesting. And 70% of women would like to own a new beauty device. Now, to add to that, we also observed that recently, product customization is becoming increasingly popular. This example is about a shoe, and Nike has developed a platform where you can design the colors of your shoe and custom make it online. Coca-Cola did that also with a soft drink uh, with the name. Instead na Coke yung pangalan, name na ninyo ang nakalagay. And consumers are moving away from traditional mass-produced products. They're increasingly looking for solutions that fit their specific needs and engaging in product creation. So kung mas customized, mas personalized, mas gusto ng tao. And they're also looking for people who are experts, who can communicate simplicity and convenience. So all these trends are pointing towards the Galvanic Spa and Age-Lock-Me devices. We have an exclusive set of products as this designed to position ourselves as the leading anti-aging company in the world. At $346 billion anti-aging and $405 billion skincare, we can target at least 10 billion. And if you are committed to building your business, then you will also have a couple of 100 millions in your bank in the next 5 to 10 years. Ngayon, ang question na lang is, how do we now build long-term passive income through this business, through this Age Acme launch? Unang-una, kailangan maintindihan natin yung tamang mindset whenever we have a new product launch. And what is the intent when we have a new product launch? So, this really depends on what is your long-term and mid-term goal for your business. But if you want to build long-term passive income, you need to understand what is the key to this. So, building long-term passive income, ano yung kailangan natin? Number one, leadership multiplication. So, when you talk about leadership multiplication, our objective is to duplicate Ruby executives in our team and then later on multiply Ruby executives in our team. Number two, executive growth and development. So, dapat dumadami yung executives natin at they are being developed to become more mature and confident in doing their business. A, attract new distributors. So when we say attract, they want to do our business with us. They are not just convinced. Hindi lang sila na paliwanagan. Lastly, D, drive continuous consumption. Drive continuous consumption. So for us to have long-term passive income, our clients must have continuous consumption. Hindi lang pwedeng puro short-term consumption. So, ang tanong ngayon is hindi lang about Age Like Me, but ang tanong is how do we now capitalize on Age Like Me to build long-term passive income by strengthening our leadership multiplication, executive growth and development, and attracting new distributors. Then lastly, driving continuous consumption. So, first, how to leverage on Age Like Me to build long-term passive income. Let's start with leadership multiplication. When you talk about leadership multiplication, what we understand is that most of the time, the top prospects are already successful in their respective fields. So if you are able to tap the successful people, then you will tap into a market that has already what we call natural leadership. So one way to develop a CEO is to hire a fresh graduate at itatrain siya ng 20 years para maging CEO. And after 20 years, he can be an effective CEO. But, but, not everyone can do that. So, what will happen? The companies that want to grow faster, instead of recruiting a new hire to develop them as CEO, they pirate CEOs, COOs, vice presidents na mature na develop na ng 20 years ng ibang kumpanya at pinapirate na sa team nila. So, what is the relevant part of this discussion? Uh, our product called Age Like Me talks to the affluent market, the people who can afford it. And these people who can afford it have already natural leadership that you do not have to develop. So, for example, when you talk about the product, what do you want to use the product for? So, let me give an example. Uh, when we launched Galvanic Spa, I was doing a lot of demos. about it, and I have a lot of clients. But as I talk to and sell to clients, malinaw, we are looking for leaders. So initially, when we were selling it, there were, well, at the top of my mind right now, uh, well, there are five people na nagsimula with the Galvanic Spa because of the interest in the product initially. And then, because they were interested in the product, we were able to tap into their leadership to apply it into this business. So the first is si Grace Toriano, and, well, sabay yata sila ni Pam Soriano. So si Grace Toriano and Pam Soriano, they were attracted to do the business initially as a customer of the Galvanic Spa. Then later on, after using Galvanic Spa and maintaining communication with us, they were developed to become a distributor, an executive. So bukod sa kanila, sino pa? Si Kiara and Robin came from wanting to use a Galvanic Spa. Si Yuri, ganun din, wanting to use a Galvanic Spa. And so, these are what we call, and also si Liza Ignalaga began without interest in the business, but was attracted by the Galvanic Spa. So, this is one example of leveraging on a product launch to attract the right leaders into your business. But it is not enough that you have the right product in terms of the Galvanic Spa. It is also important that you are able to engage these leaders to become part of your team later on. So, for example, si Dr. Helen Juanillo was sold a galvanic spa to a couple around 2008 to 2011. And the person who sold her the product was able to get a sale, but was not able to develop a leader or an emerald executive to date. So, one way is to use the product to attract leadership into your team. And ang kagandahan sa New Skin products, kahit na mahal siya, is that it is talking to the right market who we want to attract in the business, who are leaders. So, another example, si Doc Helen, hindi ko siya na-attract dahil lang sa business, pero na-attract ko siya because of what we call TR90 or TRA at that time, weight management. So the weight management program attracted Dr. Helen into the business. And because of that, she became more active in the business. Ganun din si Baki. And so, ganun rin si Edwin Valencia. Ganun rin si Dr. Annabel Cores. So, the product first, and then they became business partners later on. So, when you talk about an Age Lock Me product, we will get a lot of customers. But from all these customers that we are able to sponsor, we must understand that our intent is to bring them as many of them into our team as leaders. Now, what is the second way to leverage on HLACME to build long-term passive income? Executive growth and development. So with the new device, it will help renew excitement of executives, current and past, and opens up their prospect lists to new target markets. Kasi minsan hindi na iniisip yung mga top prospects dahil feeling nila hindi na interested sa products natin. So this Age Lock Me device is also a strong prospecting tool to create a new business altogether for executives and will stimulate their growth and personal development. It is also a reactivation tool. So, kung di na-active yung executive with this new product, they might be more interested. Some people might not have been able to market yung TR90 kasi di man sila masyadong mataba or wala silang before and after story. Pero when you talk about vanity, very vain sila, so it is easier for them. Third, attracting new distributors. How do we attract new distributors into the business? With the age lock me discussion, you are able to discuss something that people don't know yet and they don't have yet. So this is a first of its kind technology. So the powerful product concept strengthens the business opportunity and strengthens also the conversion of invite. Well, number one, it strengthens your partner's inviting numbers because they are confident about having a new proposition. Number two, it strengthens their presenting ratio because people are now more curious about listening to a new technology or a new device. And lastly, D, drive continuous consumption. As we do this business and push me, some of your prospects will just remain as users, and that's perfectly fine. Once you have, since the AgeLock Me ARO is around 120 points per month, if you have 25 clients of AgeLock Me, it's already 3,000 GSV. So you don't have to worry about your GSV anymore, and you and your team can maintain executive status over the long term. So this is where we are right now, and our objective is to do Age Like Me with the right appreciation of what is our intention. And the intention is multiple, and what you want if you are a CEO of your own business is to take advantage of this Age Like Me opportunity or December 1 to 16 LTO to maximize its impact to your leadership multiplication, executive growth, attracting new distributors, and driving continuous consumption. Now, how do we do this? Let's talk about the HACME commercialization plan. Now, this commercialization plan is a what I call business fundamental. These are business fundamentals. If you look at any successful businessman, saan ba nagsisimula yan? Nagsisimula yan sa may product. Pero wala pang customer. May product pa lang. So what will happen? May product pa lang, wala pang customer. Pagkatapos ng product, ano gagawin ng negosyante? Maghanap siya ng customer. So, unang kailangan natin gawin is our commercialization plan is step 1, prospecting. All of us must expand our list to include warm list and cold market. The cold market are the people to whom this product will be relevant to. And what you can also do is you can review your current list of circle group and current list of prospects, and you invite them massively to the events and the BOMs. After you make this list, and we will do this in a while, step 2 is inviting them, initiating contact with them, and qualifying their interest about this exciting new device. And we will talk about this again later on how you can invite your expanded list and your current list. After inviting, step 3 is presentation or sharing information. And when I say sharing information, because in the world of online today, our objective is to market not only face to face but also via online to prospects in the provinces, to prospects internationally. So, what do we do when we present the information? We either meet one on one or during the one-on-one, we talk to them and discuss a bit about the product. But we after that we invite them to a launch event. Like tomorrow, we have Monica Lam who will be sharing, and then send info to them. For example, you have a prospect in Europe, in London, in where do you call this, Australia or the US. So you send the information to them and see how they find it via PM or chat. And step 4, closing and follow up. Get the decision, meet them up face to face to fill up the forms, or close online via online sign up, online purchasing, or filling up forms that they will send back to you for processing. So sa ngayon, what we want to do is we want to go through each of these one by one. And for all the executives here, what you want to do also is whatever we're going to do today, tonight, you want to execute this with your entire team. Okay, so ano gagawin natin? Let's talk first about Age Lock Me new business prospecting. So when we talk about Age Lock Me new business prospecting, we all of us want to treat this Age Lock Me as a totally new business. For example, merong akong karinderya, pero maglo-launch ako ng, let's say, car wash. It's a totally new business. So when you talk to your prospects and in your mind, you want to refresh your mindset because you may have exhausted all your friends in terms of TR90, but you have not yet exhausted any of your friends for Age Like Me. So what we want to do is we want to leverage on Age Like Me as a new business prospecting tool. So who are the new business people that we can tap? In our warm market, who are the immediate target market for this Age Like Me? Number one, fashion enthusiasts. Sino yung mga fashion enthusiasts? Yan yung mga hilig pumorma, mahilig sa slim fit, mahilig sa dress, mahilig sa accents, sa accessories, sa alahas, sa matching na damit at sapatos. Number two, branded people. Sino yung mga naka-LV bag, sino yung mga naka-Rolex, sino yung mga naka-Prada. Yan yung market natin. Number three, top management. And we talk about war market, yan yung mga kilala natin. When you talk about top management, so you talk about your new business in the context of VIPs. I'm launching a new product designed to address the needs of top management VIPs. So, number four, business owners. Business owners, so mga kaibigan natin may-ari ng negosyo, papakita natin sa kanyang product. Bakit? Because the business owners, they have money and they want the best of the best. Number five, dermatologists, nakakilala natin. Number six, cosmetic surgeons. And number seven, high-end salons. Of course, this is only my idea. You can also expand the categories to your war market. So, do we have any doctors in this session? So, for example, si Dr. Nati in Jensen, what Dr. Nati can do is set up what they call talks within departmental meetings. So, for example, dermatologist department, pwedeng mag-set up ng invite na, hey, I have a new product and I'd like to talk to your society or to your department. May I set up a meeting for that because we're launching a new device specific for dermatologists and we are making this available only for 2 weeks for our VIP clients before we launch it in April. Would you like to be amongst the first? So, pwede rin sa cosmetic surgeons and high-end salons. Now, cold market. Sino ba yung mga cold market? Ito yung mga hindi natin kilala. Ang kagandahan dito sa product natin, kahit hindi natin kilala, pwede natin lapitan dahil sobrang compelling yung concept ng product natin. So when you go to, let's say, a province, you go to a building, you ask who's the president and owner of the building, and you can go straight to the top management or a CEO or a president. And what is the positioning again? We are launching a new device into the market to cater to VIPs. And the VIPs on the VIPs that we're targeting are people who have top management experience. Number two, business owner. So tatawang business owner and say, uh, "Hi, I am Black Black. We haven't met, but I saw your name in, and I was referred to you by. And right now, I have a new business. We are launching here that is targeted to VIPs like you to cater to your needs as you grow your business, as you as you engage in your business. Pag dermatologist, di mo kilala, ang gagawin, I have I have a new business. We're launching a new device into the market. Okay, so you want to make a list of all the dermatologists, all the hospitals have dermatologists. When you walk or when you drive through a street in a commercial area, you will see dermatologists there, and you can expand your list. Cosmetic surgeons that you do not know, high-end salons that you do not know, designers, sino yung mga designers? Yan yung ewan ko lang kung sino yung mga babae, sigurado ako meron kayong patahian. So, sa akin nagpapatahi ng damit. So, ano yung idea? We want to tap them. And of course, kung kailan yung mga mahal mag-design ng damit, yun yung gusto natin i-develop rin. Tailors nagtatahi ng barong. Tailors nagtatahi ng suits for guys. And lastly, social group heads. So, who are social group heads? Rotary Club, President, Philippine Association of Dentists, Philippine Association of Black Black, Society of Ganito Department Head. So the pitch is, we have a new business. So ba't kailangan sabing new business? Kasi you want them to know that it is something that they do not know yet. That caters to VIP. VIPs. That's why I wanted to talk to you. It caters to VIP. It is designed for VIPs to cater to their needs as they manage their businesses or their jobs and experience the aging process. Okay, so at this point, what we'd like to do is we'd like to invest 5 minutes, and I'd like you to just make a brainstorming of your warm market and cold market. Write as many people as possible in terms of the people that come to your mind na maybe current type na R squared, Y span, TR90, galvanic spa. Or yung mga executives mo or LOIs mo dati na hindi na active ngayon, you want to make a list of them na potential for new business prospecting. And also cold market, which are hindi mo kilala pero alam mo kung sino sila. Halimbawa, alam mo yung may hospital dyan malapit sa'yo. Hindi mo kilala yung may-ari sa kanila, pero ang pwede mong gawin is tumawag ka at mag-inquire ka at pepresentan mo. Mamaya makayapad parang si Dr. Helen. Okay? So at this point, I'd like to pause for now, and I'd like you to, for the next 5 minutes, do this exercise. Here we'll extend for 5 more minutes. Hello? Okay. So there are a lot more people that we can talk to, but for now, we will continue so that we can proceed with the training. My advice is that you invest another 30 minutes to really expand this list, because if you are able to do that, then you will really be able to qualify as a Ruby executive within the next 3 months, leveraging on HLockMe. So after by the way, ito HLockMe prospecting, ganito rin gagawin mo pag may negosyo ka. Halimbawa, pag negosyo ka ng relo, brand, let's say, Tag Heuer, iisipin mo rin kung sino may prospect mo, kung saan mo ibabagsak yung products or sino mga maging customer mo. So, when we do this and we talk about executive growth and development, we need to teach our executives how to do prospecting and making that list and expanding that list. But not only that, we also need to learn how to do it first ourselves. Okay, so I would recommend that you have at least 100 names for your HLockMe prospect list, your HLockMe new business prospecting. Now, after prospecting, the next step is to invite them to a meeting. And the objective of inviting is not so much for business or not immediately for business, but just to have an engagement to show them the product. So if you're talking to a warm market, it's simple. Hello, friend. I am launching a new device into the market. It's the first of its kind. Kung lalaki ang kausap mo, you say, bespoke grooming. Have you heard of it? So ano ibig sabihin ng bespoke? Bespoke is like tailor fit. Bespoke grooming is like customized grooming. Pag female, customized skincare. Pag ang lalaki kasi sabihan mo na skincare, hindi lahat ng lalaki comfortable about it. Pero pag sabi mo grooming, mas familiar siya, mas gusto nila. Parang Gillette ang dating. Okay? It's a first of its kind. Bespoke grooming kung lalaki. I wanted to show you and get your insight about this new technology. Would it be okay if I visited you or set up a meeting with you this week? The other, pag babae, we are launching a new device into the market. It's a first of its kind. It's for personalized skincare or customized skincare. I want to show you how this device works to get your insights about this new technology. Would it be okay if I visited you this week or set up a meeting with you this week? Ganun lang kasimple warm market. And then, pupunta mo sila and within a day, you have 4 to 5 presentations. And those 4 to 5 presentations, you will get maybe 1 to 2 sign-ups or people will buy the product. But what you will do is you will create awareness and excitement for your new business. Now, paano kung cold market? Normally, ito yung mga may business or professionals. So, you introduce yourself with posture. Kiring, hello, Sir Mike, or Doc Chua. This is John, and we haven't met, but do you have a few minutes to talk? Okay, Doc. Anyway, just quick lang. I'm leading a project team with a US company, and we're launching a new device into the market that complements your business. Or kung doctor, that complements your practice. For the first time ever, we can now personalize skincare specific to an individual's needs using a smart device. I wanted to set a meeting with you to discuss how we can collaborate with you to enhance your business and practice with this new technology. So, ganun lang kasimple. And you will have a 10 to 15-minute presentation to them. Okay, so it's gonna be Blitz. Okay, so take a screenshot of this and enhance it as you feel necessary. But the objective is to have multiple meetings within the day, within the next 3 weeks. Okay? Now, after inviting is presenting, mag-usap na kayo. And by the way, pwede rin to online. So, kung sabay-sabayan, kung online ka, dapat at least meron kang, siguro kung gusto mo talaga maging maayos, 20 invites. May I show you, send you some information and let me know what you think about it. Okay? Now, pag magtanong sila, magkita na kayo, or magtatanong sila, what is that all about? What is that all about? What is this technology all about? So, you do not say yet na HLACME, etc., cartridge. Like in doing a one-on-one and doing a BOM, the first step is not about presenting. The first step is about pre-closing. So in this case, what we would like to do is we would like to pre-close the individual to the product. First, product, then business. Later on. Kasi wala pang business yung product muna. So your job is to get as many people using HLACME. So, pwede rin to online. So, may ka-chat ka sa Europe, Australia, Dubai, walang problema. So, pwede rin natin i-market sa Dubai. Andito na ba si Yuri? O, si Rad nandito. So, let's say sa mga kamag-anak sa Dubai. You can, or Dubai, Saudi, Singapore, lahat yan pwedeng export. Pre-book yan, tapos export doon. Padala nyo na lang. Normally, 2 to 3 days lang yan via air. So, maabot pa for a Christmas gift. Now, when you now are given the opportunity to present, you do not present immediately. What do we do? HLACME new business presenting. Pre-close muna. Before I share with you how this device works, may I ask you some questions? Uh, what do you currently use for your skin? Okay, magsasample siguro tayo. Okay. So, ano ba, Ange Arevalo, okay lang i-demo kita? Hello, Ange?
John. Oh, yes.
Okay ka lang? May ubo ka? Di ba?
Oo.
Ano ba, ang interested na si Angie. Angie, sige John, ano ba yung bago mong product?
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, Ange, before ko i-share sa yung how this device works, okay lang, may tatanong lang ako sa'yo.
Okay, sige.
Oo. First, what do you currently use for your skin? For your face? Meron ba?
Mm. Yes, currently may ginagamit akong for normal to oily skin.
Okay.
Oily to normal skin.
Anong brand?
Sabihin ko ba?
Okay lang.
Siyempre, gano'n. Yung product that I used to, to use sa Splash or before sa Avon.
Okay. So may ibang brand Splash, may iba Avon. Tama ba?
Yes,
Okay. So, why do you use them? Ano yung mga concerns mo na gusto mo i-improve with those products?
most probably, I'm looking for yung more of sa anti-aging. Kasi right now, di ba yung mga products, pwedeng personal care lang siya. So, uh, wala pa doon sa portion na gusto ko talaga na effective anti-aging.
Okay. So, anti-aging yung gusto mo. Is there any specific part ng face mo na napansin mo na kailangan na ng anti-aging?
Probably yung eye area.
Eye area. Okay. So, you want to improve your eye
Mm-mm.
area. Okay.
Mm-mm. Yes.
So, tanong ko lang, halimbawa, you're working right now with Splash. In your job at Splash, is it important for you to maintain good hygiene?
Yes, oo, kasi especially if you're working sa care, personal um, personal care, kailangan yung makausap mo, di ba? We look into really your face, lalo na pag they're interested to uh, go into business with with you.
Okay, great. Is it also important na maganda yung grooming natin?
So, very important, lalo na pag babae.
I agree. So, how do you feel? Do you think it is important for you to always look your best during your work, in your work?
Oo, siguro sa range ng 1 to 10, palagi yan nasa like 1 or 2, diba?
Being the highest. One or two being
1 is the highest, oo.
okay. So, great. So, ang papakita ko sa yung device is a device that is the most advanced and it's going to help you customize uh, the products that you need for your skin. So, may I proceed with the presentation with the product discussion. So, pupunta na ako sa product. Okay?
Mm.
So, ang
Okay.
so thank you, Ange. So, ang mangyayari is at this point, I will shift to our product presentation slides. And I'm going to demo to everyone at this time how to present it effectively. Ito yung draft as of now. It's still a little bit long, but we want to shorten it. But ang importante, makita natin yung flow. So, na-establish na yung part na, sabi ni Angie, na priority number one or two ang looking your best. So doon na kami magsisimula. So Ange, you mentioned that it is important for you to look your best, correct?
Yes, oo. Mm.
So na-experience mo na ba na when you look your best, you also feel your best?
Oo, especially kasi nagiging mas confident ka to talk more about the business. So nagbibigay talaga siya, nagbo-boost ng moral sa iyo, di ba? Mm.
Yes. So do you also feel that if you feel your best, you can also do better sa work mo?
Mm. Mm.
Yeah. So these are some people. Ito si James Bond. Ito Prada Girl. Ito Zara Man. Do you see how through their looks they can actually communicate a better image and become more effective in their jobs, in their work or their business? Do you
Mm.
see? Di ba? So ngayon,
Yes, agree. Oo.
ngayon, ang tanong na lang is how do we look our best? Because right now, in the products in the market, there are products that are made for everyone, which is, if you look at the left side, nakita mo, Ange, this guy wearing
Oo.
pajama suit, yung suit na pwedeng pantulog. Okay? And there are products that can be custom made for you. Ange, have you ever experienced having your dress done specific to your body, for your body?
Ulitin mo?
Nakapagpatahi ka na
Ano
ba
nga?
ng
Again?
nakapagpatahi ka na ba ng damit na customized
Ah,
sa'yo?
oo. Oo, yes, oo, oo.
Oh, na-feel mo na
Meron, oo.
maganda yung fit niya kaysa yung binibili mo lang sa department store or sa boutique?
Oo, kasi especially kung girls ka, 'di ba? Like kung for example, yung you're attending a formal event, ba? Mako-consider mo siguro yung fit, yung pag nag-wear ka ng mga gown compared to bibili ka lang sa na na available sa mga malls na minsan hindi siya talaga fit for you. Mm-mm.
Yeah, that's right. So nakita mo yung difference ng look kung made for everyone na isusuot natin tsaka custom
And
for you.
yung custom made,
So ito naman isa pang guy made for everyone and custom made for him. So you will notice both look like a suit pero iba talaga yung dating pa custom made for you. Correct?
yes,
So
correct.
ngayon, would you agree that different people have different skins? Yes?
Yes, yes, oo.
Oo. And obviously, kung iba-iba yung skin natin, iba-iba rin yung skin concerns. So, some people have sagging skin and wrinkles. So, kanina nabanggit mo may concern ka sa around your eyes. So, dito sa picture na to, nakikita mo ba
Mm-mm.
yung crow's feet, yung eye bag, yung frown lines? Para sa iyo, ano yung mga concern mo diyan?
Uh, right now, yung brown spots ang mas kita sa skin ko. So, yun yung priority ko na ma-improve
So, you want to improve your brown spots, okay.
dito sa,
Around your eye.
mga brown spots.
Oh, okay, great.
Around yung,
Okay, kasi ang nangyari, marami kasing problem. And yung problem mo, let's say, for example, brown spots. Yung product na ginagawa ng market ngayon, hindi naman lahat para sa brown spots. And pag bibili ka, baka siya para sa pores or sa wrinkles, pero hindi siya para sa brown spots kasi hindi siya customized for you and your skin. So, yung option natin for your skincare, for you to look your best all the time, is you have to ask yourself, what does your skin deserve? Because currently, you mentioned you're using Splash and Avon, and these are decent products that are, sorry, made for everyone. Sorry, ayusin ko lang tong slide. So this the question is, what does your skin deserve? Do you want to have what's made for everyone that doesn't really mind what your skin needs, or do you prefer one that is custom made for you? So, and so ngayon, fortunately, we now have the device that can customize your skincare based on your needs, and in this case, it is brown spots. Okay, so let me share with you about the product. This product has unique customizing features, and it starts with a personalized assessment. So what we can do right now, I have this assessment sheet, this assessment with me. I have it in my app, and I can do the assessment for you. So ang mangyari, yung assessment na yan will have multiple, how do you call this, slides, no? So I think we talked about this last time. Dahil lang ah. Okay, so last time we spoke about this. So ang first niyan is magkakaroon ng diagnostic. Okay, so gagawin ko yung diagnostic, and I hope everyone has downloaded their app, and you do the diagnostic on the spot. So habang gagawin yung diagnostic, mas lalo nagiging customized na intindihan nung kausap mo ano yung ibig sabihin ng customization. Now, after this process assessment, the second thing is that our company has the most advanced R&D in terms of anti-aging formulation for each specific skin concern, including wrinkles, age spots, sunspots, pores, yung exposure to sunlight, chemical, and we put this into a cartridge. And what happens is that the device will now customize the formulation for you based on your skin situation. So this is the next generation of skincare. HLACME provides skincare that hindi pwede ilagay sa jar kasi hindi mo pwede i-mix sabay sa yung mga ingredients tapos ilalagay sa shelf. Kailangan real time siya i-mix. Higher level of serum active ingredients. So mas mataas yung quality ng serum na mabibigay sa skin mo dahil imi-mix na siya at the moment of use. And this device has 2,000 possible regimen combination, and it is of this 2,000, there is one that is exactly right for your current skin condition today. So pwede tayong gumamit ng marami na hindi na tayo pa tachamba-chamba kung tama para sa atin, or we invest in this device that is convenient and easy to use, and this will now become your personal skincare lab at home. So this can be, itong HLACME device, ito yung parang tailor mo for your skincare. So in this HLACME, with this HLACME serums, it will help with your cellular turnover and create better regeneration for your skin. Yung sinasabi mo, Ange, ito, brown spots diminish pigmentation. So, since meron kang nabanggit na pigmentation, tataasan yung serum that will be necessary for your pigmentation. Pag bibili ka sa labas, I'm sorry to say, but yung binigamit mo sa Avon tsaka sa Splash right now, they don't have pigmentation solutions in it. Number 3, helps target lines and wrinkles and improve firmness. So kung wala ka pa masyado, i-adjust niya rin yung ingredients nun. So these super serums will have higher concentration of active ingredients depending on your assessment. And they are combined together to provide a higher amount of potency of ingredients that could not be formed into a single product. So ito hindi siya maging stable pag pinaghalo bago siya ilagay sa shelf. For now, we are the only device that can specifically formulate it at the time of execution. So together with that, HACME has a microlayering technology that will help your skin absorb yung ingredients better. To get yung HLACMI will also have a moisturizer to moisturize your skin night and day, and it will be sensitive to your sun exposure. So, so ano yung benefits? This device will dispense automatically for your day and night regimen. It is hygienic because you will not have contact with the lotion. It's going to be dispensed on your hand, and it will also be customized for you. It will be like your Siri, na it will learn your habits and provides reminders based on your behaviors. You will also be able to track usage of your product and know how much more is left. Tapos pwede mo rin siyang baunin. Let's say magta-travel ka, you can bring this because there are containers that you can use for traveling. So this has 27.
So,
Yeah, go ahead. And
yeah, if I'm the yung customer, di ba? Usually yung question would be, when do you feel the improvement or yung benefits ng product?
okay. Well,
How do you,
yeah, normally, depending
uh,
on your skin condition, between 1 to 3 months. But our
mm,
tests were designed for 90 days. So within 90 days, 97% of people notice improvement. So let me go to that in a while. So I will not talk about the patents.
sorry.
So this product
Mm-mm.
has already won multiple business awards on innovation, good design, and brand awards. Na-feature na rin siya sa multiple print media. And yung tinatanong mo, meron na tayong research and clinical studies. So, okay. Ito yung microlayer technology. Kung walang AJACME device, yung nasa ilalim, sabog-sabog yung serum, hindi ma-absorb ng skin. But with the AJACME device, 3 times better absorption. Now, based on home use results, okay, this was around 90 days. 92% of people who use it found it as a better way to deliver skincare. 95% decided to replace their current products and make skincare easier to use. Now, ano yung results? Um, this lady, after 12 weeks, so this around 3 months, nag-improve yung crow's feet niya visibly. So you can look at the left and the right. Halos nawala na yung crow's feet. Improvement in eye wrinkles. So you will see there are some deep lines on the under the eye. And this is a 12-week clinical study. Skin tone. So itong lady na to had two-tone skin already. Ngayon nag-improve na yung tone ng skin niya. Okay, now let me focus on your need. Uh, so titingnan rin natin to yung laugh line nag-improve. Okay. So wala pa dito yung age spots. But in for so far these are the 12 to 16 week studies. Napin ko yung age spots. Meron ako nakita kaninang age spots. Okay, wala dito. So, yan yung product results so far. And this is the product that we're launching. What do you think about it so far, Ange? So far, Ange, how do you feel?
Um, Personally, I'm really interested. So, yun naman yung karamihan sagot ng mga ini-visualize ko na kasi yung concern ng customer, di ba, pag in-offer natin yung age lock. So, ang next would be, since alam mo yung benefit, alam mo yung improvement time, ang last naman dyan na question would be yung cost, di ba?
Okay. So for you, Ange, personally, how much do you think this product should be worth, this device?
Sabi, sorry Um, uh, to be honest, alam ko it's around 20, di ba? 21.5 something.
Yeah.
So, mm, pero syempre kung customer ka, first time mo siyang maririnig, mapipresent, mabibigla syempre dun sa price ng ng product.
Okay. So before I
So how
ask,
do you
before I tell them the price, I will ask them. So now, how do you find it? So una, kailangan alam natin kung ano yung feedback. Gusto ba? Interested ba? Ang pangalawa, ang tatanong natin is, magkano sa tingin mo yung product? So sa kanila nanggagaling yung presyo.
Oo.
Okay? So, ikaw, Ange, sa tingin mo, pag itong product kaya i-design and for the rest of your life, i-customize niya yung skincare mo para sa'yo. Para ka lang may personalized na sastre. Magkano sa tingin mo halaga niya? Dapat.
Kung coming from yung walang alam kung magkano siya, first of all, expected mo na siya na um, expensive compared sa market, di ba? Kasi it's a unique product na hindi naman mo talaga makikita. So sabi nga natin, price is relative. Pwedeng mahal sa akin, pwedeng mahal sa iba. But as long as you're interested kasi basic need mo siya, yun something to buy the product.
Okay. So, ganito,
Mm-mm.
how do I do it? Before I mention the price, I will give comparison price. So, if you go to a skincare clinic in Mega Mall for 10 sessions, they will charge you 100,000 pesos. That is only service without any machine that you can use at home. And you have to go there every week, every 2 weeks to have yourself treated. That's 100,000 pesos already. If you went for surgery, it's 300 to 500,000 pesos. Again, it's just a one-time service and there's no machine. When you go for Botox and all these fillers, it's from 5,000 to 20,000 pesos. And it is per session. And unfortunately, it is, again, made for everyone, not customized for you. But this one, this device, it will customize it for you. And I'll just share with you the current pricing so you can decide if you want to get one for yourself. Kasi limited lang yung stocks ko. I only have 5 at this pricing right now. So, you have two options. Yung first option is you buy the Agelacme Smart Skincare device at only 19,600. Yung 19,600 is for the machine. Now, separate yung pang cartridge natin every month. So, yung cartridge natin na initial na ilalagay doon is worth 8,400. So, that that 8,400 plus the 19,600, yung starter package natin is worth 28,000. So, yung 28,000 na yan is for the first month. By the second month, we will have a customized formula already for you na dinesign specific for your needs based on the assessment. And so that will be 8,400 per month from here on. And you can use it for you can start with a 6 month program and continue from the 6 months onward. But now we have a promotion as part of our introductory offer. You can get it the HLACME at a loyalty pack instead of 19,600 at and 8,400 for the cartridges. By the way, itong cartridges na serum sa department store, mga nasa 15 to 20,000 to. Pero isang serum lang yon, hindi yan multiple serums, tsaka wala pa yung moisturizer. Ito, serum tsaka moisturizer day and night na, 8,400 lang. Now, we have a loyalty pack. If you do HLACME loyalty pack, we at 6,500 per cartridge. If you register for a 6 month program, you get the machine at only 8,700 pesos. Tapos, 6,500 siya per month. So, yung starter package mo, 8,700 plus yung initial cartridge na 6,500, that's 15,200. So, you have two options and then meron lang tayong savings na around 24,000 if you decide to go for the HLACME loyalty pack. Ikaw, Ange, would you like to Would you like to get one unit or 2 units for you and your husband? Or would you or anong package yung gusto mo? Age Lock Me regular pack or yung loyalty pack na mas makaka-diskwento ka? Now, you throw it out there and let them decide. Some people will say, ready na ako. Some people say, hindi pa ako ready. Now, if you look at the price point, mahal ba yung 6.5 or yung 8.4? Subukan mo mag-inquire sa department store at tanong mo sa Shiseido, sa Estee Lauder, tsaka sa mga Shu Emura kung ano yung mga products nila at magkakano. And you will understand how our products are even more affordable than the products out there in the market. But ang trabaho natin is marketing. Kahit anong presentation mo, kung gusto, gusto. Kung ayaw, ayaw. Kahit na magkano pang presyo niyan. Ang importante is ma-present natin to as many people as possible. So, if you were able to do the pre-closing well, then the person will understand. So, Ange, would you like to invest in your AgeLockMe so that the AgeLockMe device can help you address your brown spots and remove it eventually?
Personally, oo. Personally naman, I'm interested, no? John, I have question kasi usually ito yung tatanungin. Although, di ba, defined siya as personalized. What if sa family, no? Ayun nga, sabi mo kanina, husband and wife. Is it possible ba na ang tanong sa'yo would be, pwede ba siyang, since it's an equipment, pwede ba catered ba siya na pwedeng dalawa ang gumamit?
Pwede siyang dalawa ang gumamit, pero yung machine will only dispense based on the assessment of a single person. Now, kung pareho yung concerns,
Oo, oo.
problema. But if the other person also has skin concerns, it's best that they get their own device.
Hindi,
Kasi,
for example, sabihin sa'yo, example lang, di ba, kasi sabi natin earlier on, ang benefit will run from ang 14, di ba, at 90 days or 14 weeks. So, kung ang question would be, o sige, nagamit ko na siya for 14 weeks, possible ba yung next cycle sa husband ko naman?
pwede. Kasi yung
Pwede ba yun? O, para continue yung...
Kasi ang mangyari, i-reorder niya yung formula. So, pagdating ng cartridge na bago, yung cartridge na bago, pwede na yung assessment ng husband niya ang gagamitin. Na code.
Kasi pag ganun, di ba, mas makukuha mo yung customer. Like, right now, ang investment mo would be yung expensive siya, di ba? Pero along after several use naman, tas meron kang family member na kailangan din, I don't know, kung pwede mo siyang i-position na ganun yung presentation.
Meron din, pero I wouldn't offer it like that. Kasi I would offer it straightforward and give them an opportunity to buy two. When Doc Helen bought TRA, she decided to buy one for her, one for Doc Nap. And that was 70,000 pesos. 70,000 pesos. So, may mga customer na hindi kaya mag 70,000 na isa, pero marami rin customer na kaya maglimang 70,000 for their family. So, ang focus natin is to engage the market with AgeLockMe. And again, this AgeLockMe is targeted for affluent people for us to access the affluent people. Now, may mga hindi masyado affluent who will be able to afford it. Kung hindi lang kayang dalawa, di isa na lang. Doon na lang siya sa isa. Wala mang problema yon. Ang importante is that we get the excitement and the product out into the market. In the same way na gusto ko ng iPhone, pwede ba kami mag-share ng asawa ko? Eh kung magkasama kayo araw-araw, walang problema. Pero pag kayo magtatawagan, paano kayo magtatawagan? O di tig-isa kayong iPhone, magkano iPhone? 35,000. So, the idea is to maximize the hindi natin makukonvince lahat, pero importante yung trabaho na pag i-share ng information sa tao, magawa natin ang tama. Okay? Now, moving on, AgeLockMe new business closing. So, yan, ipakita ko na to. in-offer ko. And then let them decide na kung ano yung gusto nila. Ang objective natin is to get at least 20 customers for your business. Pag may 20 customers ka, times 120 PV, for the next 6 months, kung ako may loyalty pack, meron kang 2,400 GSV for the next 6 months from January to June. Now, bakit importante yan? January to June is the qualification for Sydney. So if you have if all your executives have 20 Age Lock Me Loyalty Pack subscriptions and you have 4 executives, sure na yung Sydney mo. Ngayon, sa 300 name list natin, nakitaan sa 300 name list natin, lahat ba ng tao makabili? Siyempre hindi. Pero okay lang yan. Kailangan natin mahanap yung 20. Kasi yung 20 na yon, meron kang 2,400 GSV. And all of our executives, all of us have 20 prospects in our list who will be able to afford this. Obviously, hindi yan yung lahat, pero hindi rin lahat ng tao kaya bumili ng iPhone, hindi rin lahat ng tao kaya bumili ng kotse, hindi rin lahat ng tao kaya bumili ng insurance. Pero, mas kaya nilang bumili ng Agelock Me kaysa ng insurance, kaysa ng kotse, kaysa ng Tag Heuer, kaysa ng Rolex, kaysa ng LV bag. So that's why when you talk about prospecting, we already prospected those who put value to their image, to their brand, to their looks. Because for these people, image is more important than money. So, yun yung kasama sa prospecting. So, in ending, so far, any other questions before we move on? Okay. So, kung wala na, meron akong i-share sa inyo. Meron tayong dalawang incentive trips. Ang incentive trips na to are already ongoing. And what we want to do is we want to qualify for both as much as possible. So, ito yung incentive trips. Okay? Yan lang. So, the incentive trips for Thailand, Pattaya, it's going to be in September 2017. The incentive the period is July 2016 to June 2017. And for Sydney trip, it's January to December 2017. Ngayon, ang interesting part dito, ang requirement lang is you be paid as Ruby for 4 months. So, here, there's an intersecting period of January 2017 to June 2017. Now, if you are able to be paid as 4 months between January to June 2017, you are automatically qualified for both trips, Pattaya and Sydney, with just one effort. So this is the reason why it's important for us to push Agelock Me for now to get all the AROs. And then once you get them on board, we will discuss also what you need to do after to convert 20 customers to at least 5 LOIs and 5 LOIs doon to maybe around 2 executives or even 4 executives because of the exciting technology of Agelock Me. And by the time April, we're going to have testimonies local of Agelock Me. And you can expect that pipitik talaga yung sales natin dito. So, with that, this is largely a one-on-one effort for now. And you can actually engage your prospects online or via one-on-one or the BOMs. We will be deploying to your upline Ruby executives the slide deck within the week by Wednesday. And so what you want to do right now is go back to the first first step. What is the first step? First step natin is prospecting. So what you'd like to do now is make a prospecting list and complete it. And if you have 100 to 200 lists in the list, then you will guarantee find 20 ageLock Me clients. All right. So with that, we'd like to end this session. Next week, tune in for our follow-through session on how to do effective retailing with our Emerald executive and new star, Rad Pelayo. Same time at 8 p.m. Okay. So with that, we'd like to thank everyone for attending, and this is the next 3 weeks is going to be critical for our January to June period. Make sure that as a leader, you are able to follow through with your team. Just to remind everyone, we are here to leverage on HLACME to build a long-term organization. All right. So with that,
Okay. Thank you,
everyone,
John.
thank you, Ange, also. With that, we'd like to end and wish everyone good evening.
Are you done? Yes. High five. Um, you are so long. But you're done already. Because why?
You are exceptional, remarkable, unique. There is only one you. So why should you settle for one-size-fits-all skincare? ageLOC Me is a revolutionary anti-aging skincare system that transforms your daily routine into a truly unique and customized experience. ageLOC Me makes customizing your skincare easy. On day one, set up your device and begin to experience the calibration set products. These 5 premium products are selected based on your geographic region and formulated to deliver comprehensive anti-aging benefits. They'll help you determine your skincare needs and will provide a reference for your ageLOC Me skin assessment. On day 14, you're ready to take the assessment and customize your products. Tell us about you, your skin, and your preferences. At the end, you'll receive your personal skincare code. Out of all the possible combinations, we'll use it to create a regimen just for you. Use your code to place your order for your custom product set. With your custom regimen, it's time to experience truly customized skincare. This set includes 5 powerful cutting-edge ageLOC Me products. Inspired by more than 30 years of anti-aging science, these products are formulated with ageLOC technology to target the sources and visible signs of aging to preserve and promote a youthful appearance. ageLOC Me serums provide targeted treatment benefits, such as improving the appearance of wrinkles for a healthier appearance and noticeably younger looking skin. ageLOC Me Day Moisturizer softens and hydrates the skin. And with optional sun protection, it can shield your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. ageLOC Me Night Moisturizer helps calm, soothe, and rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. Customize your night and day moisturizers even more by adding fragrance. Select your preferences for weight and level of moisturization. And customization doesn't stop there. Maybe in the winter, you want a heavier moisturizer. In the summer, something lighter. Simply retake the assessment and order a new custom product set. Save and manage multiple assessments to reorder a previous set or create an entirely new one. Your ageLOC Me skincare system makes product delivery simple and convenient. The first of its kind, intuitive ageLOC Me device is smart. It learns your routine, making it easy to stick to your regimen, and it delivers a precise dose twice a day. ageLOC Me is a unique experience you'll enjoy every day for noticeable and customized results. So you can feel beautiful and confident, giving you the power to be you. ageLOC Me, anti-aging skincare as individual as you are.